Question. In which article of the Constitution joint sitting is mentioned? A. Article 80. B. Article 110. C. Article 108. D. Article 112.
Answer.
Article 108.
Question.
Right to Education Act is the act of which year? A. 2005. B. 2007. C. 2008. D. 2009.
Answer.
2009.
Question.
Under which constitutional amendment Sikkim was made an integral part of India? A. 42nd Amendment. B. 40th Amendment. C. 39th Amendment. D. 36th Amendment.
Answer.
36th Amendment.
Question.
By whom is the Attorney General of India appointed? A. Chief Justice of India. B. Prime Minister. C. President of India. D. UPSC.
Answer.
President of India.
Question.
When was the first amendment to the Constitution of India done? A. 1948. B. 1950. C. 1951. D. 1959.
Answer.
1951.
Question.
How long is the term of the President? A. 5-year. B. 6-year. C. 7-year. D. 8-year.
Answer.
5-year.
Question.
By which constitutional amendment the words socialist and secular were added in the preamble? A. Added by 24th CA. B. Added by 29th CA. C. Added by 44th CA. D. Added by 42nd CA.
Answer.
Added by 42nd CA.
Question.
Which was the first state to be formed on the basis of language? A. West Bengal. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Punjab.
Answer.
Andhra Pradesh.
Question.
Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. H. J. Kania. C. G. V. Mavalankar. D. Om Birla.
Answer.
G. V. Mavalankar.
Question.
The parliamentary system in the Constitution of India has been taken from the Constitution of which country? A. United Kingdom. B. Germany. C. United States. D. Canada.
Answer.
United Kingdom.
Question.
Which of the following part has been removed from the Constitution? A. Part 6. B. Part 7. C. Part 8. D. Part 9.
Answer.
Part 7.
Question.
In which year census in decadal basis started? A. 1871. B. 1872. C. 1881. D. 1882.
Answer.
1881.
Question.
Which schedule of the Constitution mentions the official language? A. Schedule 7. B. Schedule 8. C. Schedule 9. D. Schedule 10.
Answer.
Schedule 8.
Question.
Who is known as the father of local self-government? A. Lord Ripon. B. Lord Mayo. C. Lord William Bentinck. D. Lord Dalhousie.
Answer.
Lord Ripon.
Question.
Fundamental duties are mentioned in which article of the Constitution? A. Article 51. B. Article 51A. C. Article 52. D. Article 53.
Answer.
Article 51A.
Question.
Which is the second state in the country to implement Panchayati Raj system? A. Rajasthan. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka.
Answer.
Andhra Pradesh.
Question.
By which constitutional amendment the Panchayati Raj system was given constitutional status? A. 73rd Amendment. B. 74th Amendment. C. 79th Amendment. D. 80th Amendment.
Answer.
73rd Amendment.
Question.
What is the position of the right to property in India? A. Legal right available to citizens only. B. Fundamental right available to citizens only. C. Neither fundamental right nor legal right. D. Legal right available to any person.
Answer.
Legal right available to any person.
Question.
Who functions as a Chief Executive Officer of Janpa Panchayat? A. Chairperson of Janpa Panchayat. B. An official of the state government. C. A member of Legislative Assembly. D. Secretary of the Panchayat.
Answer.
An official of the state government.
Question.
The fundamental object of Panchayati Raj system is to ensure which among the following? A. People's participation in development. B. Political accountability. C. Democratic decentralization. D. Financial mobilization.
Answer.
Democratic decentralization.
Question.
When is Panchayati Raj Day celebrated? A. The 26th of November. B. The 2nd of October. C. The 24th of April. D. The 15th of June.
Answer.
The 24th of April.
Question.
If a panchayat is dissolved, elections are to be held within A. Within 6 months. B. Within 12 months. C. Within 2 months. D. Within 1 month.
Answer.
Within 6 months.
Question.
Which of the following is not a function of Gram Panchayats? A. Establishment and maintenance of local markets. B. Transport facilities. C. Prevention of contagious diseases. D. Lighting of village streets.
Answer.
Transport facilities.
Question.
The three-tier system of local government does not include the A. Panchayat Samiti. B. Village Committee. C. Gram Panchayat. D. Zilla Parishad.
Answer.
Village Committee.
Question.
The State Finance Commission as A. Legal. B. Non-statutory. C. Constitutional. D. None of the above.
Answer.
Constitutional.
Question.
Who can dissolve a Zilla Parishad? A. Chairperson of Panchayat Samiti. B. State Government. C. Zilla Panchayat President. D. Central Government.
Answer.
State Government.
Question.
Who is the Chief Officer in Panchayati Samiti? A. Dissemination Officer. B. Development Officer. C. Accountant. D. Office Superintendent.
Answer.
Development Officer.
Question.
Which among the following is the first state in India to have the Panchayati Raj system? A. Rajasthan. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. West Bengal. D. Uttar Pradesh.
Answer.
Rajasthan.
Question.
To whom the grant in aid for Panchayati Raj institutions received from Finance Commission has to be released? A. Zilla Parishad. B. Panchayat Samiti. C. Collector. D. Gram Panchayat.
Answer.
Gram Panchayat.
Question.
Panchayati Raj institutions came into existence under the A. 42nd and 43rd Amendment. B. 86th and 87th Amendment. C. 63rd and 64th Amendment. D. 73rd and 74th Amendment.
Answer.
73rd and 74th Amendment.
Question.
Which one of the following provisions deals with the privileges and immunities of the members of Parliament under the Constitution of India? A. 105. B. 104. C. 82. D. 117.
Answer.
105.
Question.
What should be the interval between the two consecutive sessions of Parliament? A. 4 months. B. 1 year. C. 6 months. D. Fixed by the President.
Answer.
6 months.
Question.
The Finance Bill has to be passed by the Parliament within how many days of its introduction? A. 90. B. 75. C. 60. D. 85.
Answer.
75.
Question.
The Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected by A. Deputy Speaker. B. President. C. Members of Lok Sabha. D. Members of both houses.
Answer.
Members of Lok Sabha.
Question.
Which article of Indian Constitution gives definition of money bill? A. 56. B. 110. C. 72. D. 121.
Answer.
110.
Question.
After how many days of absence from Parliament without permission can a Member of Parliament MP be disqualified? A. 30 days. B. 60 days. C. 90 days. D. 120 days.
Answer.
60 days.
Question.
How many sessions of the Lok Sabha take place in a year? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5.
Answer.
3.
Question.
A motion of no confidence against the government can be introduced in A. Rajya Sabha. B. Lok Sabha. C. Both. D. Neither.
Answer.
Lok Sabha.
Question.
Who was the first Speaker of the Lok Sabha? A. K.S. Hegde. B. Hukam Singh. C. M.A. Iyengar. D. Ganesh Mavlinkar.
Answer.
Ganesh Mavlinkar.
Question.
What is the minimum age for holding office in the Lok Sabha? A. 18. B. 21. C. 25. D. 28.
Answer.
25.
Question.
Which electoral college elects the chairman of Rajya Sabha? A. All members of Rajya Sabha. B. Elected members of Rajya Sabha. C. Elected members of Parliament. D. All members of Parliament.
Answer.
All members of Parliament.
Question.
Which one of the following is the largest committee of the Parliament? A. Committee on Public Account. B. Committee on Estimates. C. Committee on Public Undertakings. D. Committee on Petitions.
Answer.
Committee on Estimates.
Question.
The joint sitting of both the houses is chaired by A. President. B. Vice President. C. Speaker of the House. D. Prime Minister.
Answer.
Speaker of the House.
Question.
Who is ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? A. Vice President. B. President. C. Prime Minister. D. Speaker of Lok Sabha.
Answer.
Vice President.
Question.
The Rajya Sabha is dissolved after A. 5 years. B. On the advice of Prime Minister. C. 6 years. D. None of the above.
Answer.
None of the above.
Question.
Which of the following Union Territories of India has the highest number of Lok Sabha seats? A. Jammu Kashmir. B. The National Capital Territory of Delhi. C. Puducherry. D. Lakshadweep.
Answer.
The National Capital Territory of Delhi.
Question.
Parliament can amend the provision on official language of India under the Constitution by A. Simple majority of its members. B. 2/3 road majority. C. 3/4 majority. D. 1/3 road of its members.
Answer.
Simple majority of its members.
Question.
In which of the following years was the Rajya Sabha first constituted? A. 1952. B. 1947. C. 1950. D. 1948.
Answer.
1952.
Question.
The power to increase the number of judges in the Supreme Court of India is vested in A. President. B. Parliament. C. CJI. D. Law Commission.
Answer.
Parliament.
Question.
How many years of work experience in High Court is required to become the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court? A. 8 years. B. 10 years. C. 12 years. D. 15 years.
Answer.
10 years.
Question.
Under which article can the Supreme Court issue a writ? A. Article 131. B. Article 32. C. Article 143. D. Article 226.
Answer.
Article 32.
Question.
A Supreme Court judge can resign from his office by writing to the A. President. B. Vice President. C. Prime Minister. D. Chief Justice of India.
Answer.
President. President.
Question.
Who was the first Chief Justice of India? A. Patanjali Sastri. B. Harilal Jaikania. C. M. Hidayatullah. D. B. K. Mukherjee.
Answer.
Harilal Jaikania.
Question.
Under whose jurisdiction the High Courts of the states directly fall in the judicial system of India? A. Parliament. B. President. C. Supreme Court. D. Attorney General.
Answer.
Supreme Court.
Question.
A judge of the Supreme Court may resign his office by writing to A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Law Minister. D. Attorney General of India.
Answer.
President.
Question.
A person appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court before entering upon his office has to make and subscribe an oath or affirmation before A. Vice President. B. President or some person appointed by him. C. CJI. D. None of the above.
Answer.
None of the above.
Question.
The Supreme Court of India came into being on A. 26th January 1950. B. 28th January 1950. C. The 15th of August 1949. D. 26th November 1949.
Answer.
The 28th of January 1950.
Question.
When was the Supreme Court of India established? A. The 16th of January 1950. B. The 31st of January 1950. C. The 26th of January 1950. D. The 15th of August 1950.
Answer.
The 26th of January 1950.
Question.
The maximum duration of an ordinance issued by the President of India can be how much? A. 6 weeks. B. 1 year. C. 6 months. D. 6 months and 6 weeks.
Answer.
6 months and 6 weeks.
Question.
Which of the following is not a power of the President of India? A. Declaring national emergency. B. Appointment of CM of states. C. Appointment of Chief Justice. D. Appointment of Governor of states.
Answer.
Appointment of CM of states.
Question.
How many times can the President of India be re-elected? A. 2 terms. B. For any number of terms. C. 3 terms. D. 4 terms.
Answer.
For any number of terms.
Question.
Who is responsible for the administration of a union territory which do not have their own elected legislative assembly? A. Lieutenant Governor. B. Government of the nearest state. C. President. D. Governor.
Answer.
President.
Question.
Who is the Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces? A. Prime Minister. B. President. C. Vice President. D. Chief of Defense Staff.
Answer.
President.
Question.
A candidate must be minimum how many years of age to contest elections for President of India? A. 18. B. 25. C. 35. D. 65.
Answer.
35.
Question.
The President of India has the power of pardoning under which article? A. Article 72. B. Article 73. C. Article 74. D. Article 76.
Answer.
Article 72.
Question.
The procedure of impeachment of the President of India is A. Judicial. B. Quasi-judicial. C. Legislative. D. Executive.
Answer.
Quasi-judicial.
Question.
Which article of Indian Constitution deals with the term of office of President? A. 38. B. 36. C. 58. D. 56.
Answer.
56.
Question.
Impeachment of the President is derived from the Constitution of which country? A. Canada. B. USA. C. France. D. Australia.
Answer.
USA.
Question.
Name the chairman of the Law Commission who advocated that one-third of the judges in each High Court should be from another state. A. Justice P. N. Bhagwati. B. Justice Hidayatullah. C. Justice H. R. Khanna. D. Justice Chandrachud.
Answer.
Justice H. R. Khanna.
Question.
The mobile court in India is the brainchild of A. Justice Bhagwati. B. Rajiv Gandhi. C. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. D. Pratibha Patil.
Answer.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Question.
What is the nature of the dispute of Babri Mosque Ramjanambhoomi Case before Allahabad High Court? A. Writ petition. B. Title suit. C. Claim for compensation. D. Judicial review petition.
Answer.
Title suit.
Question.
Which High Court stated that the divorce by saying talaq 3 times is illegal? A. Calcutta. B. Bombay. C. Allahabad. D. Punjab.
Answer.
Allahabad.
Question.
The salaries and allowances of the judges of the High Court are charged to the A. Consolidated Fund of India. B. Consolidated Fund of State. C. Contingency Fund of India. D. Contingency Fund of State.
Answer.
Consolidated Fund of State.
Question.
Which of the following high courts has the largest number of benches? A. Delhi. B. Madhya Pradesh. C. Kolkata. D. Guwahati.
Answer.
Guwahati.
Question.
Which one of the following writs can be issued by a high court to secure the liberty of an individual? A. Mandamus. B. Quo warranto. C. Certiorari. D. Habeas corpus.
Answer.
Habeas corpus.
Question.
Election petitions regarding elections to the Parliament and State Legislatures can be filed before A. Election Commission. B. Supreme Court. C. High Court. D. President.
Answer.
High Court.
Question.
Ladakh is under the jurisdiction of which High Court? A. Jammu Kashmir. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Punjab and Haryana. D. Uttarakhand.
Answer.
Jammu Kashmir.
Question.
The High Court has the jurisdiction under Article 226 for the enforcement of A. Civil rights. B. Fundamental rights. C. Sanctioning rights. D. Child rights.
Answer.
Fundamental rights.
Question.
The jurisdiction of which of the following high courts extends to the Union Territory of Lakshadweep? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Bombay. D. Delhi.
Answer.
Kerala.
Question.
The age of retirement of a High Court judge is A. 65. B. 60. C. 58. D. 62.
Answer.
62.
Question.
Which among the following is the oldest High Court in India? A. Bombay High Court. B. Madras High Court. C. Calcutta High Court. D. Allahabad High Court.
Answer.
Calcutta High Court.
Question.
In India, Chief Justice of High Court is appointed by A. Central Government. B. State Government. C. Governor. D. President.
Answer.
President.
Question.
Which committee's recommendations are being followed for estimating poverty line in India? A. Kelkar Committee. B. Lakadwala Committee. C. Tendulkar Committee. D. Desai Committee.
Answer.
Lakadwala Committee.
Question.
Which of the following range of articles are associated with Part 15 of Indian Constitution? A. Articles 264 to 300. B. Articles 330 to 342. C. Articles 324 to 329. D. Articles 343 to 351.
Answer.
Articles 324 to 329.
Question.
Part 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with A. Special provision for SC Street. B. Election Commission. C. Emergency provisions. D. Official language.
Answer.
Official language.
Question.
The right to privacy is mentioned under which part of the Indian Constitution? A. Part 4. B. Part 1. C. Part 2. D. Part 3.
Answer.
Part 3.
Question.
Balwant Rai Mehta Committee emphasized on which part of Panchayati Raj? A. Division and district level. B. Village, block and district. C. Village, district and state level. D. Village, division and national level.
Answer.
Village, block and district.
Question.
The Commission for Agriculture Cost and Prices (CACP), earlier named as Agriculture Prices Commission, was established in A. January 1965. B. January 1956. C. December 1965. D. December 1976.
Answer.
January 1965.
Question.
How many parts does the Indian Constitution currently have? A. 15. B. 20. C. 25. D. 30.
Answer.
25.
Question.
Who among the following never became President of Indian National Congress? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Answer.
Bal Gangadhar Tilak.
Question.
Which commission has examined the center-state relations? A. Shri Krishna Commission. B. Kher Commission. C. Sarkariya Commission. D. Madliyar Commission.
Answer.
Sarkariya Commission.
Question.
Which Indian participated in all the three roundtable conferences? A. Sarojini Naidu. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Tej Bahadur Sapru. D. B and C both.
Answer.
B and C both.
Question.
When was the Congress Party established? A. The 28th of December 1885. B. The 12th of January 1885. C. The 12th of December 1980. D. The 15th of August 1945.
Answer.
The 28th of December 1885.
Question.
In which session of the Indian National Congress split into two-part moderates and extremists? A. Surat session. B. Nagpur session. C. Bombay session. D. Allahabad session.
Answer.
Surat session.
Question.
In which of the following sessions of Indian National Congress Mahatma Gandhi had said, Gandhi may die but Gandhism will remain forever? A. Calcutta session 1928. B. Lahore session 1929. C. Ramgarh session 1940. D. Karachi session 1931.
Answer.
Karachi session 1931.
Question.
Who was opposite candidate of Draupadi Murmu in president's election? A. Yashwant Sinha. B. Venkaiah Naidu. C. Ramnath Kovind. D. Rahul Gandhi.
Answer.
Yashwant Sinha.
Question.
Originally, the Indian Constitution is divided into A. 16 parts. B. 24 parts. C. 25 parts. D. 22 parts.
Answer.
22 parts.
Question.
Mira Seth Committee was related with the development of A. Primary education. B. Women health. C. Handlooms. D. Gender equality.
Answer.
Handlooms. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.